Pink, the Border Collie, handled by Jennifer Crank from Pickerington, Ohio.
Pink wants to get the party started tonight.
That is it.
Not here. Get it. Come. Sit. Stay. Stay. Okay. Hit it.
Jennifer making sure Pink's in that contact zone. Jennifer's up ahead right there. Look at Pink fly.
You can't stay ahead of Pink for too long.
Stay. Good job. Look at the extension Pink is doing on these jumps. Just beautiful. Nice extension all the way around.
Pink's ahead of the pace. Through the weak pulse.
Just stay smooth and clean.
Phenomenal job. And
There
Pink
it
will
is.
win it. By 2 seconds.
That was just sheer beauty. Beautiful lines. Jennifer out in front, Pink following. Pink saying, I got it.